Alright, so right now we're going to work on our internal external rotators, and what we're working on, this will be the internal, and when I do my other ones, they're going to be called my external rotators. We had talked about it before, and I wanted to show you what muscles are working, so that's why I have my shirt off. Otherwise, you know, as you see, normally I don't like my shirt off while I'm on film. Anyways, so we're going to be working on coming in and out. In and out. What I'm trying to work on is getting my internal rotators stronger, and it's a big deal to get those working because those are small itty bitty muscles and they have to be the supporting role, and they make sure, like when you do bench press, pull-ups, that they can work, or the repetitive motion. If you're doing overhead work, they do a lot of stabilizing, so it's important to do a lot of the stuff. You can't go heavy on this, but you have to do them, like maybe 1, 2, 3 pounds at the most. That's what I'm doing. I have on my machine, I have it set at 1 plate, which is like a half a plate, and that's really important that we do these. You're going to do 3 sets of 20 or 1 set of 50 to make sure that they work. No heavier than 3 pounds. That's a big deal. And what I do is I let it pull me back and get a good stretch so I can have it pull out, and then I come back. I switch, so there's my internals, now I come back. I work my external rotators. So I'll do a bunch of those. Once you do 20 of those, let's say that's 20, you spin around. Now I hit the other muscles. My externals, which I did before on my internal. And you go back and you do 20 of those. And I position it so I can get a good pull at the end. So it helps stretch me, and I can work through a better, fuller range of motion having them pull me. So that's how we work our internal, external rotators. And I got a different exercise for the other part of the rotators that we'll talk about later. So make sure you hit those.